Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I will show you how to knit this amazing top. I wrote everything down very nicely for you so you could make this amazing top yourself. It's gonna be a very simple tutorial because this is gonna be a free tutorial, and it's also a very simple top, so it's not that much work, and I'm so excited. It's so cute. And I'm also gonna add the graph that I made for the lesbian at the end of the video, so this is also optional. Like, you don't need to put the graph on it. You can also just have it as a top like this, or you can have it as a top like this. Let's get started with the pattern. The first thing you need to do is cast on 100 stitches. I did 100 because I made it according to my body. And I basically did a 2x2 ribbing all the way until the 38th row. And because of the ribbing, it gives the illusion that it's a bit more slimmer at the bottom, as you can see. So now the ribbing should be done, and for the next row I'm gonna do some increases. Not much, just a little, to give it a little bit more of the poofy effect. And because it's 100 stitches, I basically added an extra stitch every 10th stitch. So you should normally at the end get 110 stitches instead of 100. I feel like, if it's one more or less, it doesn't really matter to me. Like, I just go with it. I just go how my top goes. But normally it should be 110 at the end. So after the ribbing, you immediately go into increasing. After you've done your rows of stockinette, it's finally time to split your knitting to create the armholes. So you just put one side of your knitting, like 55 stitches, on a cable, and the other 55 stitches you start knitting. You just knit and purl front and back all the way into the top. Like, the fun part about this one is basically it's so simple. I did not do any like increasing or decreasing or whatever to create this really nice boat neck. So I just go all the way straight to the top, and I do the same on the other side, and that's basically it. Lastly, you obviously have to sew both sides together, here and here, and I did on each side 9 stitches, and then it creates this really nice wide neckline. Obviously it depends on how wide your shoulders are. I feel like you can really play with this. This is not like a set measurement, but that's just what I did. And if you sew them together and then you block your knits, it really creates this nice boat neck. That's it. That's basically it for the shape of this top. Then you're done. As I said before, the graph is obviously optional, but I just really like to play with felting and knitting together. Like, I like to combine different techniques. So I made a little graph for you that you can use. And basically what you do to create this pixel felting is you just, instead of doing the duplicate stitch, you felt per stitch. So it creates this more blocked pixel effect. So yeah, it's just felting instead of doing the duplicate stitch. It's super simple. And then you can basically put any design you want onto your tops. So if you have something else you want to put on your top, feel free to do it. I just added my design if you want to use it. And that's it. This is it. This is the top. I really hope you enjoyed and thought it was useful, this design. I know it's a very simple pattern, but it's also a very easy top. So I felt like it didn't really need that much explanation. So I hope you enjoyed this and you have now a very cute top at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you understood the tutorial. If not, or if you have any questions, you can always comment down below and I will do my best to help you. And again, if you make this, make sure to tag me on Instagram because I would really love to see your creations. And that was it for this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!